Hey, Kenny, does this truck look tall or do I look short?
You're short.
Damn it. Well, guess what? Good thing we got this bed step to help me get into this bad boy. Check it out, people. It is our bed step on the website live. Helps you get in the back of a big lifted truck. If you're a short guy like me, it works on short trucks, big trucks, long beds, short beds, red trucks, green trucks. I don't know, all kinds of trucks. Let me show you how it fastens to the bed of your truck. First question you're asking me is, where'd I get that hat, Devin? Well, on obssystems.net, of course. Oh, no. First question you're gonna ask me is, how many holes do I have to drill in the underside of my bed? 0. This bracket, our bracket, attaches to factory holes that are already in the bed and to the structural rib underneath your bed with one simple U-nut. Very easy to install. Now, we are using a rough country step if you guys haven't figured that out by now. Why a rough country step? Well, big one is we liked how the mechanism worked on how structural it was. Second one is really adjustable to let you get the step flush with the bed or bring it out a little bit for what you want it to look like. Let me show you how it installs and we'll go from there. No. That simple, people. Very easy to install, like I said. Now, one thing I like about the rough country step, it's got 4 bolts underneath, and the pad can either be shifted out, clocked this way or this way, whatever you want to have it flush with the bed. On the website, obssystems.net. Any last words, Kenny?
Yeah, don't put your fingers in the blender.
You're right, Kenny. Thanks, guys.